Welcome back. If you're new here, my name's Bianca, and on this channel we go through very simple homemade recipes. Today my husband Chris is going to take us through how to make wings.
So I'm going to make wings. And these are the wings that we usually make in our air fryer. So I've got two. There's about like 12 to 13 wings. These are just the wings, like the thawed wings from Costco. I'll brine these overnight. That'll just help dry these out for when they go in the air fryer, and I'll make them a little bit more crispy. I'm using hot water. Usually don't measure. I just kind of eyeball the salt. So however salty this water is, that's gonna be how salty those wings are gonna be. We're just gonna go right in.
These wings are going to sit in this brine overnight, and we will cook them up the next day.
But first, I'm gonna drain all this brine.
Now time to split them. Yeah, there's an odd number.
Now just dry them. Right now we're waiting for the air fryer to heat up, but when that gets heated up, I'll go ahead and I'll put this batch in with a little bit of avocado oil. Gonna go ahead and open it up. Now you don't need a super duper amount of oil, but what I like to do is I just like to get the grates real quick. I find that everything gets a little better of a fry when I kind of keep everything out of the center. 1340, that's perfectly fine. So what I like to do is I'll just give them all a flip.
5 minutes. Make sure they're more.
And we're good. So the wings are done, nice and crispy. So, got my bowl here. I'm gonna take them all out. A little bit. Not a whole lot. If you put too much, they'll kind of get soggy. And you just, however you like to do it. Some people like to put the wings out. All right, that's it.
Thanks for cooking with us. If you enjoyed this video, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing. Also, in the comments, please let us know what homemade recipes you would like to see next. See you next time.